Good morning, children. How are you today? Good? I am also good. So, in our last period, what we have done? We have started our new chapter, Plants Around Us. And in that, I told you about the parts of the plant. Root, stem, leaf, fruit, flower and bud. Okay. So today we will learn about germination of a seed. Means seed से plant कैसे बड़ा होता है, कैसे उगता है. That we will learn today. Okay. See this. What it is? It is a pot. See. Okay. In that today we will grow some seeds. So for that, firstly what you have to do? Firstly, we will put some soil in it. What? Soil. Slowly, slowly. Like this. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will take some seeds, like coriander seeds you can take, and चना जो ब्लैक चना होता है, ग्राम, ब्लैक ग्राम, that you can take. Wheat you can take. I had taken the seeds of coriander. Okay, that coriander seeds I will put in this. Some seeds, and again I will put some soil in it. Okay, now what we have to do? What is left? Now we have to put water in it. We have to water this plant. Now we will water this plant. Okay. What is important in this? Our vase should have hole downside. This will absorb the water and extra water will come out. Okay. Now after few days, what will you see? After few days you see some leaves are coming out. It's called the germination of a seed. इसमें से after few days leaves will come out. It will grow. Okay. Now take out your books and page number 60. Take out page number 60. Germination of a seed. That I have told you how we can germinate a seed. The process by which a seed grows into a seedling is called germination. मतलब जिस process से हम seeds को grow करते हैं वो क्या कहलाता है? Germination. A seedling is a newborn plant with 2 to 3 young leaves. Now we have put some seeds in this. After few days it will grow and some leaves will come out. 2 or 3 leaves will come out. With time this young plant grows into a plant and after some days it will become a plant. Okay. So what it needs? Water. For this what it needs? Water, sunlight. Okay, and air also. So see this picture also you can see this. See, I have it seed in the pot, then it will become like that, then it grows like that. See, newborn plant and then it become a plant after some time. Now we will read this etc. Okay. The largest seed in the world comes from a giant palm tree. Okay. Now we will do practice zone 2. See this. What we have to do? Firstly, we have to put seed in the pot. After that, it will grow little. Okay, little this type. And then 2 leaves will come. And then it will become a plant and roots will come out. See, in this picture roots are there. And in this picture root is not there. So this one is the last stage, 4th. Okay. Now we will read the rhyme. Rhyme time. You have to learn this rhyme. Okay. The seeds we plant today, with sun, rain and care, will give the shade to living beings everywhere. Okay, now next. Have you ever seen a gardener working in a garden? He used tools to make the garden beautiful. He used some tools, okay, to make the garden beautiful. Let us meet him and know the names of tools that he uses. See this. This is called spade. What is this? Spade. This one is watering can. What it is? Watering can. This one is hand trowel. And this spading fork. Now turn the page. Page number 62. How does a plant grow? The gardener grows beautiful plants in the garden. Okay, he makes sure the plant get the things that it needs to grow. What a plant needs to grow? If you will keep this here in the room, it will not grow. For growing, it needs air, water, sunlight and warmth, means garmi. So उसके लिए what you have to do? You have to keep it outside, बाहर रखना पड़ेगा. Then it will grow in the sunlight. If you will keep it in the room, it will not grow. So a plant needs soil, sunlight, water, air and warmth to grow. If any of these things is not available to a plant, then it may not grow properly or it may die. If you will keep it in room and if plant will not get air, water and sunlight, it will not grow properly and it can die also. Okay, वो सूख जाएगा. We need food for grow. We are eating food, we are drinking water. Okay, so like that plant also need some things to grow. What you have to do at home? Say to mama, she will give you some green wali moong dal aati hai, that you can take. What you have to do with that, you have to soak it. Usko bhigona and then take it out and then tie it in the cotton cloth. And next day you open it. It will grow. You will see the sprouts in it. Okay, say to mama, you have to do this. When you see this, you will know how a plant grow. Now, this etc. part. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. Bamboo जो होता है सबसे fast grow करता है. Okay. So, after this we will do workbook. So, take out your workbooks. Open page number 45. This we will do now. Pick the correct word from the box and name the gardening tools. These are the gardening tools and you have to name, you have to write right name for this. This one is watering cane. What it is? It is a spading fork. And what it is? Hand trowel. This you have to do today. Okay? Understood? How a seed germinate? Okay, you also do at your home and you will see the results after few days. And that you also have to do, you have to make sprouts. Say to mama, she will give you some pulse, chane, black chana jo aata hai, you can use that and then it will grow. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.